or solve those problems, you pay them. That's it.
Alina Habba, Donald Trump's failed on-again, off-again lawyer, is now doing more press, including outside of the courtroom for Donald Trump's criminal trial. And I have to tell you, she's not doing a great job of making the case for Donald Trump's innocence here. Here is Alina Habba quite simply saying Trump had a problem with regard to Stormy Daniels and the hush money and the whole thing. He hired a lawyer and the lawyer solved the problem. It's that simple.
And now what? We're here because of something that happened when he was in the White House that wasn't even wrong. It was not wrong. You hire lawyers to solve problems, lawyers solve those problems, you pay them. That's it. This is a joke. It's an affront to the American Constitution. It's an affront to our judicial system. And it's an affront to every lawyer that cares about their license, that cares about what is right and wrong.
That is a completely unhinged series of statements. It's only 22 seconds, but it's completely unhinged and riddled with lies. First of all, the hush money fiasco involving Michael Cohen and Stormy Daniels didn't happen in sum total while Trump was president. The whole point of it was we need to do this because it might otherwise prevent Trump from becoming president. So that's just a factual distortion from Alina Habba. Secondly, when we know that everybody there, what you want to talk about mens rea and the state of mind and Trump's guilty conscience about this, when Trump is suggesting to Michael Cohen that this be handled in cash, when they are all talking about wanting to prevent a paper trail of any kind, you know that they know that something stinks here. And the problem with this is just lawyers doing stuff and it's all perfectly legal and great is that Michael Cohen already was convicted and spent time in prison for this. And it was all done in service of Donald Trump and Trump's interests and what Donald Trump wanted. So as usual, Alina Habba, who is arguably better as a TV lawyer than a real lawyer. Her representation of Trump as an actual lawyer in court has been pretty self-humiliating. And the TV stuff isn't much better, but I think it's a little bit better. It's leaving a lot to be desired. And this is all they have. As Ellie Honig told us last week, former prosecutor, it's pretty damn clear that Trump committed the crime that he's accused of. It's pretty damn clear. The question is, how will a jury see it? What sort of defense will they mount? So Alina Habba continuing to self-humiliate. After the break, we will get to some totally different things, including an interesting conversation. Later, we'll do part 2 of our Rogan Tucker Carlson analysis, which is arguably even worse than what we looked at yesterday. So stay with me. We'll take a very quick break. Make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel at youtube.com/The David Pakman Show. It is time to start thinking like voters and to make sure that kids understand the importance of voting, how it works, registering, ballot initiatives, because so many kids just have no idea. That's why I wrote the new children's book, Think Like a Voter. I can think of no better time and no more important group of folks to try to reach. The book is now available at davidpakman.com/book, where, by the way, you can get the first 2 books in the series as well. Think Like a Detective and Think Like a Scientist. Really important stuff. Donate them to local libraries, classrooms, read them with the kids. davidpakman.com/book.